All right, for order of operations, we have question number 3. The problem is read out as parentheses negative 30 parentheses minus open parentheses again negative 6 parentheses minus parentheses negative 3 parentheses 3. So we have a lot of parentheses going on there. So in order to do this problem, we do have to remember our order of operations. So if you do not have this written down, you may want to pause this right now and write it down. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. We always do everything from left to right. And then notice I put a little box around the multiplication and the addition and subtraction. Those are because we do everything left to right. We start with parentheses. Okay, do everything on parentheses. Then we go on to exponents. Then we do our multiplication and our division together from left to right, and then addition and subtraction. So we come back to this problem right here, and what we want to do is we want to treat the top of a fraction and the bottom of a fraction as if they had parentheses around it. Now this one does have a bunch of parentheses in there, so we're going to have to go through and we're going to have to simplify using getting rid of our negatives. Anytime you have a double negative, like we have right here, then you want to go through and you want to change those into positive. So we've got negative 30 minus parentheses negative 6 plus 3. Close that parentheses. Now we lose these parentheses that are there because of this minus, and this minus become a plus 3. And then we want to make sure we rewrite the problem again, so we get a divide 3. Then we have a negative 30 minus, now we want to do what's inside of these parentheses right here, which is negative 6 plus 3. So negative 6 plus 3 is going to be a negative 3. We divide that again by 3. Now, once again, we got another double negative, so we've got to switch that, and we go negative 30 plus 3 divided by 3, which gives us a negative 27 divided by 3. Now that we have the top of our fraction completely simplified and the bottom of our fraction is completely simplified, we can do whatever operation is between them. And we know that a fraction bar like this means divide, so this is the same thing as saying negative 27 divided by 3, which gives us the answer negative 9. All right, thank you.